Hello viewers, today I am going to show how to fix video moderated error in Grok AI video moderation server error. Okay, let's start. First open phone setting. Scroll down, click on app management, click on app list, search Grok AI. Clear storage and clear cache. Click on permission, all permission allow. Open Play Store and search Grok AI. Update check, already update check it and logging Grok AI, so problem solved. Thank you.